folks, again, it's Amy. It's week 5 of the Fiber Gifts, and once again, I'm always involved in some of these projects, so this one is another one dear to my heart. So if you've been waiting for this or even thinking about this tool, you will need this tool for a lot of the projects that we have actually done numerous videos on. So are you ready? Woo! It is going to be the lap stand from Morgan. So showing you this, let me get them all out. We've got 3 different sizes, okay, and it might be a chance if you've got one size you want another one, you might want to get another one. So let's pull these out, put them on our box. So they do come in 3 sizes. The small one, 5 and 7, okay, mean one size is a certain size, the next one, but they go together, which actually makes it look like a stand. You can do it this way or this way, it makes no difference, depends on your project. So this one is a 710, which I primarily use. This is my next one, okay, just because this one can do different projects. So here's the 710. So on this one, let me show you first why these are considered really, really nice, okay? So as you open one up, you will see that there is a tiny groove here, which then fits in this groove. So what this does is interlocks your fabric. So you're not going to have it getting soft on you and getting loose on you, and then you have to pull it again and then getting loose. Once it's in there and it's locked and you cinch it up, it's going to be good, okay? So the other thing on these particular ones that I really, really like is that I have actually had 2 projects going on at one time, because when you're punching, whether it's needle or rug, your good side is on the inside, so therefore it's protected. So you're punching this way, this is going to be the back, this would be the back, okay? Now if you're hooking, totally different. So the other thing is if you ever wanted to use it singly, you can take the legs off like this, don't lose them, store these, you've got a hoop, okay? So you can still do this way, or you can actually have a smaller one or rejoin them back together. So it's really, you got 2 things all in one, so it's really great. So anyway, it's great, 20% off. Hope you shop early because these will go fast too. Thanks.